Start करो. Today we will discuss electric field due to a point charge and electric field due to system of charges. First of all, we should know what is electric field. Electric field at a point within the region of a source charge is defined as the electric force experienced by a unit positive test charge placed at that point. Let us consider a source charge Q at a distance r. A point P is there where electric field to be found out. Suppose here plus Q charge is there, then according to Coulomb's law, the electrostatic force of repulsion between them will be F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QQ by R square. So for plus Q test charge placed at a distance r, force experience is K QQ by R square, where K is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So for unit positive test charge, force experience will be F by Q is equal to KQ by R square. So for our simplification, it is also called as electric field E is equal to limit T Q tends to 0 F by Q. So what is its SI unit? SI unit is Newton per Coulomb. So electric field SI unit is Newton per Coulomb and it is defined as the force experienced by a unit positive test charge placed at that point. And electric field is a vector quantity. Its direction is, if the source charge is positive, then the direction of electric field will be away. If source charge is negative, then the direction of electric field will be towards. For our easy remembering, so we have to follow a rule that is called PANT. If source charge P means positive, A means away, N means negative, T means towards. So if the source charge is positive, the direction will be away. If the source charge is negative, then direction will be towards. So the student can easily remember how the direction of electric field is found out. So what is the direction of force? Force is equal to EQ. So if this test charge is positive, this discharge is positive, then force will be along the direction of electric field. If this test charge is negative, force will be opposite to the direction of electric field. So another SI unit of electric field is, it will be learnt afterwards, E is equal to V by L, that is volt per meter. So there are two units. One is, how to remember this one? Now V is equal to EL, vel. V is equal to EL. So E is equal to V by L. V means potential difference, L means length, volt per meter. So there are two units. Direction already I discussed. If direction depends upon the sign of the source charge. This is about electric field due to a point charge. Now, due to system of charges, how the field will be calculated. If number of charges are there, due to all the charges, what are the different fields will be developed, that field vector sum will be added out. Let us consider this is charge Q1, or this is the point where the field to be found out. Let the distance be R1. there are number of charges. One is Q1, Q2. So due to Q2, what is the field developed here? The field direction will be positive away. So this will be the direction of field. This is E21. So what is the magnitude of E21? E21 means electric field due to charge Q2 at point P. So this vector is R2 vector, position vector, and this one is R1 vector. The answer will be E21 is equal to K Q2 by R21 square. This vector will be R21. Why it is R21? Because the direction is towards, from to towards the first charge, but towards the point P, 21. Similarly, E31, electric field due to third charge. Suppose this is third charge Q3, the direction of field will be like this. This is E31. How much it will be? K Q3 by R31 square. But here this is a vector, so that's why we have to give a R21 cap. What is R21 cap? This is unit vector, represents the direction of electric field due to Q2 charge. Similarly, it will be R31 cap. Similarly, for fourth charge, E41, it will be KQ4 by R41 square into R41 cap. So net field, what is electric field due to all the system of charges will be E is equal to E21 plus E31 plus E41 plus dot. So net field will be net field at point P due to Q2, Q3, Q4 Qn. It will be En1 is equal to, common we can take K, then formula will be Q2 by R21Q square into R21 cap plus Q3 by R31 square into R31 cap plus Q4 by R41 square into R41 cap dot like this, where K is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and epsilon naught you have learnt, that is permittivity of vacuum or free space or air. So this is how to find out the electric field due to system of charges, which is otherwise called principle of superposition of electric field. Now next part is how to find out due to two charges where the electric field will be zero. Position where the electric field will be zero. Position, this is very important, position where electric field due to two charges is zero. Number one, there are number of probability, so we will discuss one by one. Number one, both are equal positive, both equal positive charge. Let us consider this is capital Q, this is another is capital Q. Where the field will be zero? It will be at the middle. Why? This is capital Q, direction of electric field is like this due to Q charge at the left, and direction of electric field will be like this. These two fields are equal and opposite because charge is same, distance will be same, so field will be opposite direction, field is in opposite direction, so field will be at the zero at the middle. So zero at middle. This is first point. Second point, if both equal negative, then this is minus Q. Let us consider this is also minus Q. The direction of electric field negative towards due to this charge, Due to this source charge, the direction of electric field here, the field is opposite direction, and in order to have equal magnitude, the distance must be same. So this is the point where the field again will be 0, that is 0 at middle. Then third one, both positive, one bigger positive, one smaller positive. One bigger positive, another smaller positive. Let us consider this is capital Q, bigger charge, small q, smaller charge. Where the field will be 0? Here the direction will be, suppose the point will be inside but nearer to smaller amplitude. That is, here you see this is positive away, this one positive away, direction opposite. Here field will be k bigger charge by bigger distance square. This is k into smaller charge by smaller distance square. Both magnitude will be equal and direction already opposite. So field will be 0 here. That means inside nearer to smaller charge. Field will be 0. This is third one. Fourth one, one is bigger negative, one bigger negative charge, and another smaller negative. This is minus q, this is small minus small q. So both are negative. Again the field will be nearer to smaller amplitude, smaller magnitude. Negative towards field here will be 0. K into small greater magnitude by greater distance square, k into smaller magnitude by smaller magnitude square will be equal, and direction as opposite, field will be 0. So where field will be 0? Field 0 inside S nearer to smaller magnitude. Then fifth point, if one is of positive charge, another is of smaller charge, fifth, bigger positive and smaller negative charge. Example, this is bigger positive, smaller negative. Where the field will be 0? It will not be inside, because this is positive away, this is negative towards, both will be added up if you take inside. If you take outside here, what will happen? Negative towards, this is positive away, bigger by bigger distance square, smaller by smaller distance square, magnitude will be equal, direction opposite, so field will be 0. So field 0 where? Outside nearer to smaller magnitude. Smaller charge. Next, sixth, bigger negative and smaller positive. So how the field will be? This is minus q, this one is small q. Again, if we take inside, the direction will be added up. Suppose inside you are taking, direction are added up. So we cannot take inside. Again, where it will be? It will be outside, positive, away, negative, towards, bigger by bigger distance square, smaller by smaller distance square, magnitude equal, direction already opposite, hence field will be 0. So field 0 outside nearer to smaller magnitude. Last one, if both are of equal magnitude but opposite charge. Equal magnitude and opposite charge. 7 point. Equal magnitude and opposite charge. Let us consider plus q, another is minus q. Here both are of this is constituting a dipole. Nowhere field will be zero. Suppose you will take inside, direction will be same, अडॉप्ट हो जाएगा, नहीं होगा. So if you take outside, this value will be bigger and this value will be smaller. They cannot be cancelling each other's effect. So where it will have zero field, the zero field will not be there at finite distance. So field will be zero at infinity if the distance between the charge is very small. If distance between two charges is very small. So what conclusion run? Both equal positive, field will be at middle. Both equal negative, field will be at the middle. If bigger positive, smaller positive, field will be inside, nearer to smaller positive. Bigger negative, smaller negative, the field will be inside and nearer to smaller minus q charge. If bigger positive, smaller negative, the field will be outside, nearer to minus q charge. And if it is minus q charge and plus q charge, bigger negative, smaller positive, it will be outside, nearer to plus q charge. If both are plus and minus, then field will be zero at infinity, otherwise field nowhere, field will be zero. This is all about how to find out electric field due to system of two charges where field will be zero, different positions. Thank you.